Hello everyone, this is Lizardboy1 and welcome back to one of my episodes. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fish a fishing reel that just, no matter how hard you try, it won't turn. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is take the cap off. You can start by spinning it counterclockwise. And then take this off. So we got it out, and you just want to take a look here. If you see some dirtiness, just clean it off like this, and take this out. Take the handle off. Once we got the screw, I want to take the handle off. If it comes off, if it doesn't come off, then you can't do nothing. So if it doesn't just come off, just leave it like that. Now, if it's still not moving, do this. Try turning it a few times like this. And then it'll slowly start getting loose until you can loosen it up. So once you loosen it up, so we're just loosening it up, and when it's loose enough, right, just put back this. But first we have a lubricant. I'm going to be using WD-40. If you don't have WD-40 in your home, you can use olive oil, you can use any type of oil. So I'm going to go get my WD-40. So once you get your WD-40, you want to lubricate it here, slowly. Once you do that, put the screw in there and tighten it up. And after you do that, you want to put some on top of here, around that. Just put it everywhere, it will suck it in. So you wait a few seconds, let it really get in there. And now you want to put your top back on with your lid. And you want to tighten it up. And now you want to test out your reel. It wasn't moving, and now it is. It's moving nice and easy. Very nice. Really let the WD-40 get in there. So you want to spin it a few times. From not moving, it's moving. So that's how you fix a fishing reel when it doesn't want to reel in. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell for you can receive any of my newest videos. Thanks for watching.